Magnesium is one of the most vital minerals in the body, yet it is often overlooked when we think about our daily nutritional needs. Found in every cell, magnesium is crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions, playing a role in energy production, muscle and nerve function, blood sugar regulation, and even DNA synthesis. However, many people today suffer from magnesium deficiency without even realizing it. In fact, it's estimated that up to 50% of people don't get enough magnesium from their diet. So, what happens when your body doesn't get enough of this essential mineral? Magnesium deficiency, also known as hypomagnesemia, can lead to a range of health problems, some mild, others severe. The symptoms are often subtle and easy to ignore, which is why it's so important to recognize the warning signs early. In today's video, we'll discuss 15 clear signs of magnesium deficiency you should not ignore, and why this mineral is so critical to your overall health. Stick around till the end to learn how to ensure you're getting enough magnesium and how it can transform your well-being. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. 1. Muscle cramps and spasms. Muscle cramps, twitches, or spasms are often the first signs of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle relaxation, so when levels are low, you might experience involuntary muscle movements or painful cramps, particularly in the legs. If you often wake up with Charlie horses or cramps at night, a magnesium deficiency could be the culprit. 2. Fatigue and weakness. Feeling constantly tired or weak even after a full night's sleep. Low magnesium levels can disrupt energy production in the cells, leading to chronic fatigue. This mineral is essential for converting food into energy, and a deficiency might leave you feeling drained, even after minimal effort. 3. High blood pressure and heart problems. Magnesium is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting heart function. Low magnesium levels can cause the blood vessels to constrict, leading to elevated blood pressure. Over time, magnesium deficiency can increase the risk of heart disease, arrhythmias, or even heart attacks. 4. Anxiety and depression. Magnesium has a calming effect on the brain, as it regulates neurotransmitters like serotonin, which influence mood. Without enough magnesium, you may experience increased anxiety, irritability, or even depression. In fact, studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and mild depression. 5. Insomnia or poor sleep. Magnesium plays a role in the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. If you struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep, magnesium deficiency might be to blame. A lack of magnesium can also increase levels of stress hormones like cortisol, further disrupting your rest. 6. Headaches and migraines. Frequent headaches or migraines could be a sign that your magnesium levels are too low. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels and regulate blood flow in the brain. Deficiency in this mineral is a known trigger for migraines, with studies showing that magnesium supplementation can significantly reduce their frequency and intensity. 7. Numbness and tingling. Do you ever feel pins and needles or a tingling sensation in your hands or feet? This could be a sign of magnesium deficiency affecting your nervous system. Magnesium is essential for proper nerve function, and low levels can lead to abnormal sensations or even numbness in the extremities. 8. Osteoporosis or weak bones. Magnesium works alongside calcium and vitamin D to maintain strong and healthy bones. When magnesium levels are low, bone density can decrease, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. This is particularly concerning for older adults, as magnesium deficiency often goes unnoticed until it's too late. 9. Irregular heartbeat. An irregular or rapid heartbeat, also known as arrhythmia, is a more serious symptom of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium helps regulate electrical signals in the heart, so when levels are low, you might experience palpitations or a fluttering sensation in your chest. This condition can be dangerous and should not be ignored. 10. Constipation. Magnesium plays a key role in maintaining smooth muscle function in the digestive tract. A deficiency can slow down bowel movements, leading to constipation or even more serious gastrointestinal issues. If you're struggling with irregularity, increasing your magnesium intake might help. 11. Loss of appetite. One of the more subtle signs of magnesium deficiency is a reduced appetite. While this might not seem concerning at first, a prolonged loss of appetite can lead to further nutrient deficiencies and weight loss. 12. Frequent muscle pain or soreness. If you feel sore or achy for no apparent reason, low magnesium might be the cause. Magnesium helps regulate inflammation in the body, and a deficiency can lead to chronic muscle pain or conditions like fibromyalgia. 13. Cravings for sugar or chocolate. Ever notice how you crave chocolate when you're stressed? This might be your body's way of signaling a magnesium deficiency. Dark chocolate is rich in magnesium, and a sudden craving could be your body's attempt to correct a deficiency. 14. Weakened immune system. Magnesium supports immune function by reducing inflammation and aiding in the production of antibodies. If you're frequently sick or find it hard to recover from common illnesses, a magnesium deficiency might be weakening your immune response. 15. Difficulty concentrating or brain fog. Low magnesium levels can affect cognitive function, making it harder to concentrate, stay focused, or think clearly. This is often referred to as brain fog. Magnesium is essential for maintaining brain health and supporting memory and learning. Why magnesium deficiency is so common? Magnesium deficiency is more common than you might think. Factors like a poor diet, stress, alcohol consumption, and certain medications can all deplete magnesium levels. Even if you eat healthy, modern farming practices often strip the soil of essential nutrients, meaning many foods are less magnesium-rich than they once were. How to boost your magnesium levels. If you suspect you're not getting enough magnesium, don't worry, there are plenty of ways to increase your intake. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and dark chocolate are excellent sources of magnesium. You can also take a high-quality magnesium supplement to meet your daily needs. Conclusion: magnesium is truly a miracle mineral, and ensuring you have enough of it can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. From better sleep to improved heart health, magnesium plays a crucial role in almost every aspect of your body's functioning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and wellness insights.